Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, October 17th. Time is around 6:45 and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and as you can see, I took off the impulse scenario from here. So until yesterday, I had a scenario here where the wave 4 low was in here after a WXY correction, here indicated in green, and that we would start an impulse from here. I took off the scenario because I do not really believe it will play out. I think we are still having corrective price action. The impulsive scenario looked like this. So a wave 1 here, a wave 2, then here a wave 3, a wave 4 down. And so now we should get our fifth wave. And although this scenario is not yet invalidated, I believe it will not play out. If I also consider the other indices, it simply looks like we started a new cycle here or here, and the structure we are having here has nothing to do anymore with the structure here. And so in order to be this an impulse, this should all be part as the same structure. And I do believe that this is not longer the case. And so I want to share the most likely scenarios with you. I cannot put all the possible scenarios on my chart, otherwise it would be impossible to read it. So I just keep the two most likely ones. And in my opinion, the most likely ones are that we will see more corrective price action. We will see, I believe, also more upside in the Nasdaq, but not as an impulse, but as as a corrective structure. So basically, I think we are working here on this wave X. So in the higher degree, it then becomes that this structure here, the WXY structure, is just part of this wave W in a higher degree. Now we are working on a wave X up. We are in the wave X area. And from here, we should then see more downside again as another WXY structure or another corrective structure, but three waves down here as a wave Y. So this is what I believe that will happen. Now on the lower time frame, this is a bit it's more difficult to estimate what exactly we will get from here. First of all, like, we have a mature wave X. It could simply be that our wave X was in right here. We have three waves from here, 1, 2, 3, as an A, B, C. So it could be that we are finished here and that we start the journey downwards as a wave Y from here. However, if I look at the other indices, it looks like we will need more upside. So I believe then there will also be more upside in the Nasdaq. And yeah, there are two ways to do this. So if this has to be an wave X, we need a corrective structure right here. And then if this is an ABC, then this ABC can be part of a bigger WXY as indicated here in green and in red. If we go to the 1 hour, now that's the difficulty now. So we have an ABC from here as a wave W, and we also have three waves down from here, 1, 2, 3. So technically, it could be that or wave X down is in right here, and that from here we have the wave Y up. However, at the same time, it can also be that this was just the first leg of the wave X, and so that we are also doing here a WXY structure, so indicated in green. And then it would mean that from here, we need another 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, into this area here in green. And then from here, we have again 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, as a wave Y, to finish this wave X right here into this area. So yeah, I know this is kind of complicated. It's not it's definitely not easy to trade, but yeah, it is the market as it is. I believe we are moving corrective. So we have way more possibilities to consider. Like, yeah, from here, I cannot really choose. Wave X can be in, can be that we do, yeah, another 3 waves down from here, 1, 2, 3, and then moving up again from here in 3, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, what looks sure to me is, or almost sure, let's see for a bit more price action, is that we will not get our impulsive structure from here, which means we will not start the fifth wave from here as an impulse, which means we will have more corrective behavior. And then, yeah, we should take it day by day, look at the price action, what's possible, which structures can happen. And for now, I see these two possibilities. So wave X in right here, or we have another 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 from here, and then we go up again in 3 from here. This is my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.